Yes, correct. Sarji, I'm correct. Sarji, I'm correct now. Correctly, I'm doing.
To me, I don't know what is happening from my. I think I will restart my computer as I'm not seeing
It's not
the.
a problem because other guys can see, right, guys? Others can see, right, on screen. Ramadu, Mamadou, guys, can you
Okay.
see? Because they can see what I'm doing. I'm doing the lab now.
Okay.
Okay. So now I'm in the interface now. I say no shutdown because I'm not using the serial interface. I'm using the gigabytes interface. I did not get any clock. Now you can see interface is up now. Okay. So here in the server, okay, let's give the IP address for the server. So I say 192.168.1.2. So 192.168.1.1 is the gateway. So let's configure the DHCP to get the automatic IP address. Okay, the gateway IP address is 1.1. That is your router IP address. DNS we can give 8.8.8. Okay, starting IP address we can give from 100. Just we need just 5 IP address. Okay, so let's click on this desktop. So request for DHCP so that it will get the automatic IP address. Okay, we are getting the IP address from this from the DHCP server. Fine. So now this router one configuration is over now. Fine. If you see this router configuration is over. Done. Correct. This router configuration is over now. Now I am going to do this router now. Fine, guys. So now I'll open the router 2 now.
Hello.
Now I am in the router 2.
We are not seeing the configuration.
The configuration window you cannot see.
Yes. I think that Raj is not alone.
Okay. No, what is the problem? Okay, so we'll do one thing. Let me show you an idea. I'll log out and log in once again. Let's see. Okay. So this side. Okay, so can you see now?
Yes, now it's okay. I hear.
It's my mistake, man, because I log in with the web page.
Okay.
Okay, so no problem because this happens. This happens. Okay, okay. Let me. It's recording, man. No problem. It's getting recorded now. Okay.
Okay.
I will close this. Why this close? Okay, so guys, let me see. Now I'll write something. Can you able to see? I'm writing something. Can you see?
Yes,
Yeah, now we can see very well. Great.
Okay. Fine, no problem. That's good. Very good. Okay, let's inshallah we'll complete today. Right. So now what I'm going to do right now, as we can see, I'm in this router. I'm in this router now. Router 2. So this configuration we are done. This is my R1. So remember, I'm not using the serial cable here. You can see I'm not using serial cable. I'm using direct optical fiber cable. Or else just cat cable I'm using. Okay? Now I'm going to the IP address. Okay, so gigabyte 0/0/0. Please unmute your mic, guys. I'm getting some sound from your side. Okay. IP address 10.0.0.2.
Alfred, pouvez-vous éteindre votre micro? Pouvez fermer le micro. Essaie de fermer ton micro, monsieur Alfred.
Please charge.
Ask him to mute his mic.
Hello,
Fine.
Mr. Alfred. Alfredo. Peux-tu arrêter ton micro?
Because I'm recording, that what is talking, that will also get recorded. I'll upload in YouTube. Many people will laugh. This training, many people are talking that recharge your mobile. Correct? Fine. Okay, so I give the IP address for this interface now. As we can see, the interface is up now. So now I'm going to one more interface, that is gigabyte 0/0/1. Which one is that? This one, this interface. I have to give this IP address. Okay. So now I'm going to configure this IP address. What is the IP address that? So 192.168.2.1. So what is the subnet mask? 255.255.0.0. Okay, so I say no shit. I think I should enter it to the interface. Gigabyte 0/0/1. Okay, no filter. You can see now interface is up. Done. Means what we did now, just we have assigned the IP address. So just give the IP address for the server. 192.168. This is 2.2 we will give. And gateway is the router IP address. And configure the DHCP just on and give this IP at 192.168, 2.1. DNS we can give 8.8.2, that is equal one. Start from 100. Subnet mask is same. I need just 5 IP address and save it. You can see. Let's click on this desktop. DHCP request. Okay, she will get the IP address. Okay, same thing for this PC. DHCP. So we are going to request. So it will give the IP address 1.1. Fine. Now we can see. So within the network, remember. So within this network, they can able to communicate to each other. Correct. But this computer cannot communicate to this computer. That's the reason we are going to make them communicate. We are configuring the RIP. If you want to check before configuration, okay, let's do this. So example, this PC to this router, they can communicate. This PC to this PC, they can communicate. But this computer to this computer, it will fail. So I'll check once again. Fail. Okay. So now I am going to configure your RIP. Okay, first I'll jump for your router 1. Okay. Ask him to mute Sergey. Okay. Router RIP network. So 192.168 1.0. Remember here you have to give network ID. That's it. And one more network is 10.0.0.0. That's it. And show IP route. So as we can see, still there is a no RIP. We can see RIP means R. It has to show R on the screen. You can see, right? So means
But
other router also you should configure. Then only it will exchange the routing updates.
okay,
I will click
where will mention the RIP version?
here. See, RIP means R, right? RIP.
RIP R.
Okay. Now
Yeah,
we
RIP
cannot
2.
see. Yes, you cannot see RIP here because we have configured only for this router. This R1 we configured. R2 we are not configured yet. Now I'm going to configure the RIP in router 2 now. Router RIP network 192.168.2.0 network. Okay. One more network is 10.0.0.0. That's it. Now if you see show IP route, now we can see the RIP. Here, can you see RIP? One network, it has learned from the router 1. This is router 1 network. Correct? R means, what is this R? R means RIP. Okay, now you tell me what is 120, what is this 120?
Administration
Distance, very good. Okay, so if you check for R2, so previously it was not showing, right? Can you see? There's a no R here. CL is there. There's a no R in router 1. If you type command once again, show IP route once again, okay? Now it will show you. Can you see now?
yes.
Okay. So now we can able to ping. So for example, ping 192.168 2.101. We are getting right? Success.
Yes.
100%. Now we can ping once again. See, I'll ping this PC to this PC. As you know, first packet will be dropped. Ping once again. Success. Can you see? Can you see here at the bottom of the screen? Okay. Understood all of you? If you want to check more details, let me check ping once again. Say example, this server to this server. So first packet will be dropped. So ping once again. So this to this. Success. Can you see? Now, say example, this PC to this PC. Ping once again, this computer to this computer. You can see success. Okay. Now, let's see the stimulation. How does it works? Okay. So now I'm going to start play this one. How it look like? How the packet is moving? Okay. What I'm going to do? I'll take this packet from this PC to this PC. So it's going to there to that network. Okay. I'll pause this. See, I'll pause this. I'll open this packet now. This is why I say inbound and outbound traffic. We can see network IP address. I have pinged from 2.2 to 1.2. 1.2 is this PC where I have pinged. 1.2.2 is your server network. Okay. It's very simple. If you click on the packet, it will show the more details. Okay. So this is the RIP lab. Okay. I will save this configuration. So same thing in your same file. This is your RIP lab. RIP lab 1. Okay, I will share you this file, all file with the commands. Guys, with the commands also we can able to, what are the command I'm using? All command you can see. Don't worry about it, about that. Where is the RIP? Okay, RIP text. I think yesterday's lab also I not share you. I will share you today, guys. Don't worry.
Okay.
Okay. So as you can see,
Okay. Even the document also, you will share it with them, or you want me to share it to them?
yeah, I'll share a document. Don't worry. I'll share a document.
Okay.
Or all I will share. We can share. Others I shared to you, right? You share to them.
Okay.
Okay, you can share to them. No problem. Okay. Document I will share you. Let me check the chart. I think. Can you see the chart, right? All of you. I'll say hi. Did you got the message in the chart?
No, we are seeing it in your screen, not in our
From
screen.
your chat, because I can send file from here, all the files. Or else I should, so that I can send the files here. Or else I should send the mail.
Mhm.
Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll send you the mail, all these labs.
Okay. It will come. Okay.
Okay. Fine. So now what I will do, so let me do the next lab. Next lab, what I'm going to do, this is your RIP lab 1. Okay. For the RIP lab 2, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use one more router here. Here I'll connect the switch. I'll connect some PCs, some laptop or some server. Okay, so this is my R1, this is R2, and this is R3. Okay, using the 3 routers. So here, what are the things we are going to configure? So here I'm going to configure your RIP version 2. Okay, and we'll also configure the DHCP. We'll also configure the telnet. Okay, we'll also configure for the network engineer using the console cable. Okay, from single point, he can able to access this all router from here. Okay, we'll configure this lab. This lab is quite very important, guys. Okay, so what we'll do? So we will take one break now. So after the break, 15 minutes break, we'll continue. Is it okay, guys? All of you?
Okay, it's okay for the break.
Okay, so just take break. You also take the break.